Coffee Grounds Biocomposites, upcycling waste to wonder. Coffee Grounds Biocomposites are an exciting new example of how waste can be transformed into wonder. Imagine turning those leftover coffee grounds from your morning brew into durable, sustainable materials. This upcycling innovation not only helps reduce waste, but also creates something with genuine utility. From furniture to packaging materials, coffee-based biocomposites showcase the perfect blend of eco-friendliness and ingenuity. What's captivating about this is how coffee grounds, which usually end up in landfills, are now being given a second life. Infused with bioresins, these grounds can be molded into strong, lightweight composites. The result? A product that not only looks good but performs exceptionally well with added points for sustainability. Next time you pick up an eco-friendly product, think about how your cup of joe might have played a part in it. Processing coffee grounds into biocomposites requires far less energy compared to producing traditional plastics. This energy efficiency further enhances its eco-credentials, making it a popular choice for manufacturers aiming for a lower carbon footprint. The natural dark hues of coffee even mean that the resulting material often has a rich, earthy aesthetic without needing artificial dyes or coatings. Coffee Grounds Biocomposites are a testament to human creativity and environmental awareness. They prove that when we rethink waste as a resource, we can come up with solutions that benefit both the planet and the people. So, who would have thought your morning pick-me-up could contribute to sustainable design? It's innovations like this that are brewing up a better future.